creating unforgettable memories, one fry at a time. Enhance your cozy movie night with the irresistible crunch of our golden fries. From raw ingredients to a gourmet meal. This is how we redefine the factory experience. The final garnish. A blend of fresh herbs and spices is added to complete our signature dish. Welcome to our mega factory. Watch how we turn raw potatoes into crispy fries. Quality starts here. Only the best potatoes make it to our high-speed production line. A deep clean is essential. Every potato is power washed to ensure 100% purity. Our vibrating steel belts help remove every speck of dust during the washing process. Our expert team ensures an even flow for the perfect processing speed. These industrial brushes polish the potatoes until they shine like glass. Crystal clean and ready. Look at that shine on our fresh raw materials. Speed and efficiency are the heart of our modern manufacturing facility. Our AI sensors automatically detect and remove any imperfect potatoes instantly. The cleaning is done. Now, let's head to the precision cutting unit. Every second counts in this high-tech industrial ballet of steel and steam. Hydropower helps transport our potatoes safely into the slicing department.
Constant monitoring ensures that every stage of cleaning is performed to perfection.
The preparation is complete. Witness the birth of the perfect fry next. The cutting edge. High-pressure water shoots the potatoes through sharp steel grids. Precision engineering at its best. This is how we guarantee the same great look. Rinsing is vital. Removing starch ensures the fries don't stick together.
Draining the water is the final step before we add the secret flavors.
Instant transformation. Watch as whole potatoes turn into perfect, uniform fries.
A fresh cut every time. These fries are ready for the seasoning station.
Quality check in progress. We ensure every fry meets our length and thickness standards. Gravity and automation work together to keep the product moving efficiently. A river of fries. Thousands of slices moving in perfect synchronization.
Look at that fresh texture. These potatoes are at their peak for frying.
Smart technology allows us to fine-tune the speed for every single batch.
Witness the start of an epic jersey. Here, golden, crispy French fries begin their grand...
Precision is paramount. Advanced robotic guardians meticulously inspect each golden fry, ensuring only the... As the fries embark on the next phase, they glide into our innovative cooling tunnel. This crucial step is splits.
Inside the cool embrace, every fry is perfectly prepared for its next destination. This controlled cooling process locked
out of the cool and into precision. Each batch of golden fries now approaches the weighing station, where watch the magic unfold. With incredible speed and accuracy, our golden fries cascade into their pristine, transparent, from filling to flowing. These freshly packed bags, brimming with delicious fries, now journey along the next conveyor, sealed for freshness. Our innovative heat sealing technology ensures every bag of fries is perfectly secured, locking in that delicious...
a symphony of snacks. Dozens of perfectly sealed bags, each a treasure trove of golden fries, advance gracefully.
Beyond automation, our dedicated experts add a personal touch. Each bag undergoes a final, meticulous... the harvest of deliciousness. Bags of freshly prepared fries gently gather, awaiting their next step in the journey.
A moment of anticipation. A selected bag is gently taken for a crucial test, ensuring the flavor and crispness are nothing short of extraordinary.
Even our team enjoys the fruits of their labor. In our vibrant break room, freshly made fries offer a delight. More than just a snack, it's a moment of shared joy. Our delicious fries bring people together, creating the perfect pairing. A warm, crispy fry meets its ideal companion of a dollop of rich, tangy ketchup, creating an irresistible blend of flavors.
That satisfying crunch. A moment of pure bliss as the incredible...
From our factory to your family's picnic, the joy of golden fries sparks delightful moments. Whether with tangy ketchup,
For friends, for fun,
for flavor.
our crispy fries are the perfect companion for every hangout. Dive into zesty... Creating unforgettable memories, one fry at a time. Enhance your cozy movie night with the irresistible crunch of our...
Taste the perfection. Experience the versatility. Our golden fries are not just a snack. They're a canvas for